Welcome to our bathroom. Finally, you know what? The lighting in this bathroom is so amazing, but something else that's really awesome is that my skin. You guys might be wondering, why is your skin glowing? Are you pregnant? I'm not pregnant, but I want to show you how to get that pregnancy glow, but you're not pregnant, kind of glow, with the help of a few amazing products that recently I have been coveting. It's just something about good skincare and good quality makeup that the two, it's like a marriage that lasts a lifetime. I was like testing out these Beauty Pie products and I was like waiting to find one that sucked. Not one single product has failed me. I'm gonna share some of my recent obsessions from a brand called Beauty Pie, where they basically offer their products at up to 75% less than typical luxury prices for their members. How do they do this? Well, they work directly with labs to make the products in quantities that allow their members fair pricing. So I'm gonna share with you guys what these products are that I love. Oh, and by the way, this Youth Balm Serum, wait until I tell you. The glow up. It is real. Let's do this. I'm in this really interesting place in life right now where I am kind of just sitting still and watching and seeing all like the happenings and the moments and the girls growing up right before my eyes. And I'm just truthfully trying to find beauty in every moment. And so today I thought it would be fun as I get ready with you guys. I thought it would also be fun to just inject, because it's been a while since we've caught up, like 5 things in this season that I'm seeing beauty in. Things that are currently in the season making me happy. Okay, my skin is in a great place right now. And that is always so temporary in my world because you guys know I have sensitive skin. And so for me, the biggest thing with like having blemish prone skin is like I have to take care of my skin. I have to pay attention to what I'm putting on my skin as well as what I'm putting in my body. So I have learned so much on that. And if y'all want to see a video specifically for just everything I've learned regarding like blemish prone skin, if you have that as a concern, will you just comment below? Let me know if that's something that you want to see, because there's just too much to unpack in this one video today. All that to say, I am in a great place with my skin right now. I'm not pregnant. For me, it has just been consistency in my skincare routine. One of those products that I have been using, this serum from Beauty Pie, it's their Youth Balm 360 Facelift Serum made in Switzerland. I am literally just so obsessed with this. So what I have found is that a serum is where I can really get in the anti-aging benefits. Because I have blemish prone skin, sensitive skin, my moisturizer has to be very simple, very lightweight. So I can't always include all of those extra things in it that are like anti-aging and the super rich creamy ones. It is just one of those products you need to have in your skincare routine, I feel, because I'm 32 years old. So I'm finally at a place where I'm like, all right, I want to dip into more anti-aging products to be preventative, but I also don't want to have 50 million things in my routine. Just kind of massage it into my skin. It's a product that will give you all those anti-aging benefits, helping lift my skin and just visibly softening some of the lines and wrinkles and just boosting that overall luminosity and radiance. That's kind of what I look for in a serum. So good. Normally a serum like Youth Balm would sell for $185 or more, but Beauty Pie cuts out the middleman and offers their members the price of $48. I mean, too good to be true, but it's true. There's something about this texture that I really love. I don't know, like even before doing my makeup, I just feel like it's a really good base, and then I put my moisturizer on and I just feel like my skin is locked and loaded and radiant and now ready for a little makeup. So I can definitely say that this product has been such a game changer for me, and I really, really like it. It definitely holds up to the name. All right, I'm just gonna lock that serum in with the moisturizer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and share my first kind of beauty moment with you guys. I have been spending more time just going to thrift stores, going into a thrift store and just enjoying the scavenger hunt, right? That I think thrifting is. That made me so happy. Can I just say something else from Beauty Pie that I love? I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but that is actually, I doubled up because I'm that obsessed. Beauty Pie has this super healthy skin moisture cream. It has like softening hibiscus flower oil droplets in it, and it just nourishes your skin. It's got shea butter in it. Just honestly love applying it all over. And my legs are ashy right now, so let me just do myself a favor. If you got dark circles, love, love, love. They're super luminous. It's their under eye genius corrector. I got it in medium deep. It's really nice and creamy. So I noticed with some like correcting sticks I have tried, it just dries out my eyes. And I feel like this one, it is creamier. It really has a great coverage effect. It's like getting in there. It's hiding these blue veins under my eyes. And I even go in on it in my upper lip area, the areas where I tend to have some discoloration. It's just so good. This was one of the products I tried from Beauty Pie that I was like very, very interested to see how it would hold up compared to some of my other favorite concealers. It definitely passed the test because I just feel like, again, because they have done skincare so well, it's like they've married the two in their makeup. This is their 500 Sand shade. It's just all my skin really needs these days to feel like I've got something on and feeling like put together. Oh, and before I forget, they are giving you guys a code, $10 off your first purchase with code Sazan sent me. Okay, so the second thing that's just making me so happy in this current season is watching Amari dance like all day long to Justin Bieber's Freedom. And she also has to be wearing her Peppa Pig muumuu. Like, it's a thing. And she has just really turned a corner. Her personality has come out full force. She is so hysterical and she loves to dance. And it's just hilarious. I am so happy every time I watch her dance. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cream blush. I love my cream blush. It is summer, so we can definitely have a little bit more fun, like a pop on the cheeks. Go in with a little powder just to set it. I have used this like crazy lately. As you can see, it's a little dirty. Beauty Pie's Triple Beauty Luminizing Wand. If there's one thing in your makeup routine that you need to be very careful with, it's your illuminator. It can totally make or break your look. And so you get to this step where you're like, your blush is on and now you just wanna add just a faux glow touch on those main high key areas. You've gotta do it with a product that actually is more like a skincare product. You want it to be blendable. A little bit really does go a long way here. In here and show y'all like how good it is. Just a little something extra in the makeup routine. It just makes me so happy. Oh, well, that should be one of the ones. I'm just gonna make this right here one of the 5 things that has made me happy. It's a really good illuminator. Oh my gosh, it's so good, you guys. For my eyes, what I've been doing is very subtly doing a little something something. Perfect for day or night. They have them in a few different shades. This one is the James Molly Deluxe Eyeshadow Quad in 003, and then the other one is in 001. I just love the 2 shades. I'm a neutral girl all the way. Okay, something else that makes me happy in this season is sushi. I know that might be a random one, but I cannot tell you, what is it about sushi that just, I don't know, it gets me really in a mood. I love like Japanese restaurants like that where you take your time, they course everything out, and you get some really great quality fish. I don't know, I get so nerdy for sushi. I just wanna finish this off. I will say that this is top 5 best lip products I've ever tried. It's so hydrating, it's got really sharp pigment, and it's just something I can honestly take from day to night and throw in my purse. This is Dusky Rose. You guys hear Amari? Oh Lord, I better hurry up. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can just see, didn't have to add any gloss. It's like an all-in-one. And this is probably like my beauty uniform. I feel like this has just been my go-to look, whether it is summer or it's just another day of mom life. This is a makeup look that makes me so happy because I feel like myself. I feel like my skin is breathing. When I do take some time, just a little bit of time to do a little something, it just instantly changes my mood, my productivity, and I don't know, it just sets the tone for the rest of my days. I'm so glad I got to share some of my recent favorite products from Beauty Pie. If you guys have any products from this line, I want to know what some of your favorite products are. My last thing in this current season that I'm seeing the beauty in, that's just bringing me a lot of joy, is I have been taking more time to not share every single detail on Instagram. I've noticed the benefits of it just for my family, for my girls to not always see like a phone in their face, just being together and having these milestone moments where it's like just for us. That's been really sweet. I've been getting a lot more film developed. Anyways, y'all, I hope that this video today was inspiring for you in one way or another. Don't forget that code Sazan sent me for $10 off your first purchase. I can't wait to see what you guys get. Some of you guys always click these videos, you always come back, and you always support my channel. I see that and I acknowledge it, and I think now more than ever, where there are just 1,000,001 what feels like content creators and influencers, I truly feel like I have like an online family, and your guys' loyalty, it truly inspires me, and just being consistently myself. So love you guys so much. Thought I would take that opportunity since we're all gushy over here talking about things bringing me joy and beauty in the moment. Thank you guys. I love y'all, and until next time, mwah, mwah. It's been a while since I've done that. Bye, y'all. Wait, I didn't show y'all my outfit. Isn't it cute? It's a cute little set. I can see myself wearing it with like white sneakers. And the brand on it, let me see if I can, literally no brand tag on this. Okay, let me do some research and I will figure it out. Mwah!